If you want a cake in a cup, then this Oreo latte is gonna be that next latte that's gonna be in your life, which I don't think you'll get at any of your favorite coffee shops. The best part is this latte is actually super easy to make and unbelievably addictive. Full recipe is linked down below. Check it out, and mind you, I'm gonna be using a gluten-free variation of Oreos for this recipe. I know it existed and I'm trying it out, but honestly there's just no difference in taste at all, so that's a big win, I think. So as you can see, I'm just crushing these Oreos all up because we will be making a yummy, frothy, Oreo-y milk. Oreos deserve a like, don't they? So add the milk to a saucepan with all of them Oreos and bring them up to a simmer. While that's going on, I'll be preparing a strong shot of coffee with the help of a French press, which is great because it allows the coffee grounds to steep to really extract the max amount of flavor. But in case you have an espresso machine, then go ahead and make a shot of that instead. So the milk, you can see, is changing its color and becoming Oreo-y, cookie and creamy, I guess, and you can add in some vanilla in here as well. And once it's steaming just like this, grab an electric frother. I'm using a handheld one, and just start working that milk. There are so many ways to froth, and I'm gonna link a couple of ways in the recipe, but you don't have to stick with a frother. But this step really will help to make that Oreo and milk one in the same, because at the end of this, all you need is to pour in your coffee and then that Oreo filled milk. Finally, if you want, you can top this off with some froth milk or even frothed half and half cream, but I'm gonna go with whipped cream instead, and yes, add another Oreo right on top because this is an Oreo latte. Why not? And that makes me wonder, have you hit the subscribe button yet? What about the like button? Well, do it now. Go ahead and do that while I enjoy this latte.